Start shooting at you immediately.
Immediately. I want you
said, fuck no.
Alright, so ready? This is it. We're like, okay, guys, here's your starting line. You see those heads? It's out of there. It's the other right there. That's the enemy. Good luck. Huh? Wait, what?
Have fun.
Yeah, we're gonna take this. We're gonna go this way. That was bad. Let's go, guys. Go. Oh, shit, hit, ready. Ready. Hit. He just flanked us. Medic, we good? Damn. All right, Kyle, keep covering that way. Cover that way.
Oh, so what is my medic rule? I get to come up twice, right?
You come up twice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, who else is down? You?
Hey. Behind you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sean, cover here.
Kyle, if you get hit, yell it.
Oh, I'm hit. All right, I'm coming to you.
Get it right here. Get up there. Give me that corner. Hey, are you ready? You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Cover. Good. Cover. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Where do you got him? One down. They got a medic on that side. And this is not a good spot for me.
All right, I need you to put him down so I can get to James, all right?
Got it. Going. My bad.
There's one with a bolt action up there. I don't think he's gonna hit it.
Got two down over here.
Medic!
Okay, guys, I cleared him out. Hey, coming around the corner. I'm on the other side. I cleared him out through the middle. So
Cool.
Medic!
Medic.
Come on, man. Come on, let's go.
Doing good?
Fuck. Right here, this guy, medic.
Fuck, dude.
Oh, he's out.
Oh man, I wish I was over here earlier.
He's down.
Right.
This is nice.
What?
Oh, this
Yeah, dude, this is
view.
You're not allowed to use smoke, or is that smoke?
It's not smoke.
Don't even try the bag of black.
You alright?
Reloading. Yeah, I'm good.
I got the corner.
I got lizard skin, man.
Start, push the door, look.
Hey, bro, I'm moving up to you guys.
Push to. They use this canoe and shit. Canoe, use all that shit over there. There's a left.
All right.
How are you doing?
Right side looks pretty good. Can't be more than like maybe 1 or 2.
No, dude.
Maybe.
They're stuck inside of there. There's one over here. Keep him covered.
There's 2 dead for sure. I mean, I've already popped 2.
All right. Hey, you guys can hold down this right side, right? We got some coming in. All right, look, we're moving. Come on.
Got him.
Move him.
Good. What do you got?
Bring out! Right in the corner. You got the medic on your 6. You guys are good. What are you looking for?
Hey, American Patch! Check that cardboard! The plywood right there in front of you! Call it!
Stay there! Don't move!
2 at the top. Oh, everybody gets some today.
Somebody follow this. I can't see. Take this right here. No. Yeah, right in here. Is it? This one was actually moving it. Right, don't start there. Got it, okay. Hold down there. Fuck, I got two. Don't worry about it. Hold him up!
1 down, there's 1 more up in the hill.
Stay there. Oh, flow's so beautiful. Oh, nice.
There's 2 up there. 1's definitely down. This ain't no white shadow shit. You don't disappear into the darkness. You stand up.
Got a gun up. See him? Left side?
Our left.
Yeah, he's on the left side of that bunker. Alright.
Put a couple rounds. Oh, I got him. I got 2 up there.
On the hill? Alright, come on, we're moving. Kyle, hold that left side. John, let's move. Ready? Hold on. Come on, John, you coming? Straight forward.
One down.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Are you hit by? Ah, you're up again. James, Josh, you in the trailer?
What?
Never mind, fuck. I'm going in. You see that white little bale?
Here. White Yeah.
Actually, I got him.
All right. If you want to rush over there, you can bang them, but I don't know how you want to do it.
Kyle? Is Kyle still back?
I don't know where he is.